I get this question a lot of time. How I can start a business without any money? Okay, this is a little bit not good. If you don't have money, how can you start a business? How can you even think about starting a business, right? So, as I told in my previous video about cash flow quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, right? Make 4 quadrants, name it E, S, B, and I. If you can do this, then check. In which quadrant are you? Are you an employee? Are you a small business owner? Are you a big business owner? Or are you an investor? So, left quadrant is for those people who are starting to get some money to start a big business. Okay, so think about like this. If you don't have money to start business, that means you don't have money to go to the right quadrant. So you have to stepwise. You have to do it stepwise. Go through employee level and then go to small business owner and then big business owner and then investor. If you do this, then what happens is there will be no stress. If you don't have money, then what you can do is, let's say you are an employee and you don't have money to start your business. You can just save your money. Not in the way that saving the money like saving a penny. If you save a penny, then it's obviously a penny, right? Don't save like that. Save maybe 10-20% of your whole income and then shift to the next quadrant, that is small business owner. Then you might have little bit of income coming over. Let's say you have $1,000 per month or something like that. Then you have money to put out. Now save 30% of your income. You have saved $300 per month. Now you are saving $6,000 per year. Now it's good money to start your own business, big business. And then after you have quite a lot of money like $1 million or $100,000, then you are good to go to another level, that is investor. So if you don't have money, go and collect money first. And then from that level, then start your business.